Let me ask you something. Are you delaying your launch because you are afraid it won't be good enough? Or are you holding back from showing your face online because you are scared of what people will think? Or maybe you've been dreaming about your brand for years but haven't started because you don't want to fail. If that's you, this video is totally for you. Because here is the truth: fear of failure is killing your brand. And until you learn to recognize it, reframe it, and use it as a fuel, you'll stay stuck in hesitation, while others pass you by. Hi, I'm Inga Grinko, founder of I'm Fashion and CEO of Bash Paris, and I help fashion and creative entrepreneurs grow their brands through my program, Baby 10X. And let me be honest with you, I know fear. I've been there. I've gone through dark moments where the fear of failing made me doubt myself, made me want to quit, made me hide. What I learned that fear isn't a stop sign, it's a signal. Fear is energy. And if you channel it, it becomes fuel for your business. That's why I'm here to show you how to deal with fear, not by pretending it doesn't exist, but by transforming it into momentum. Let's dive in. Well, first, let's reframe fear. Fear is not the enemy. Fear is proof you care. Fear shows up when you are stepping into something bigger than yourself. Example, remember the first time you show a design to someone? That rush of fear, that's the same energy that pushes you to improve, to prepare, to show up better. So instead of seeing fear as a block, recognize it as a compass pointing you toward growth. Then acknowledge it. Don't pretend you are not afraid. Say it out loud. I'm afraid that this launch might fail, might not work. Owning it reduces its power. Second, reframe it. Instead of I'm scared, say I'm excited. Fear and excitement feel the same in the body. Train your brain to see it as energy. For instance, I had a founder who reframed your fear of showing up online into excitement about connecting with your audience, and it worked. 3. Micro actions daily. Take one small step every day towards your goal. Fear grows in stillness. It shrinks in action. Example, Baby 10X student committed to one Instagram story per day. After 30 days, visibility felt natural. 4. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Fear thrives on perfectionism. Kill it by celebrating a small win. Example, I had a brand. She didn't wait for the perfect website. She launched, iterated, and improved it along the way. 5. Visualize a win. Close your eyes and see yourself succeeding. Customers wearing your clothes, your first sold-out launch. That vision replaces fear with motivation. 6. Surround yourself with belief. Fear multiplies in isolation. Join communities, mentors, or programs where others believe in you when you forget. For instance, I had a brand I helped to launch her brand at Baby 10X. She really embraced the community when fear of pricing higher hit. That support gave her courage to act. 7. Take imperfect action now. This one is a game changer. Imperfect action now beats perfect action in 3 years or never. Example, a brand could have spent years refining their designing. Instead, they launched, learned, and adjusted. That speed is what got them to consistent revenue. Fear feeds on overthinking. The longer you wait, the bigger it grows. The fix? Act quickly, send the email, post the video, release the sample. One of my students delayed launching for 2 years out of fear. When she finally launched imperfectly, she realized she'd wasted time. Customers didn't care about perfection, they cared about the experience. So when you start using fear as fuel, something shifts. You step into leadership. And that's what your brand needs. Not a perfect designer, but a leader willing to act, fail, learn, and keep going. Remember, every creative person has the potential to be a powerful entrepreneur. Fear doesn't disqualify you. It qualifies you. It shows you are pushing boundaries. So let's recap. Fear of failure is killing your brand if you let it stop you. Fear is a positive sign. It means you care. 7 behaviors to use fear as a fuel: acknowledge it, reframe it, micro actions, celebrate progress, visualize, surround yourself with belief, and take imperfect action now. Quick action beats overthinking every time. And if you're ready to stop letting fear control your brand and start using it as a fuel, that's exactly what we do inside BB10X. We'll help you face the fears, build the systems, and take consistent actions so you scale with clarity, courage, and confidence. So check the link below this video and let's turn your fear into the biggest advantage. Thanks for watching, subscribe, please share, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!